walk around on my 2005 Acura RSX that I've turbocharged myself, as well as built the engine. Hood exit, of course. Look at the engine bay. Hood's a bit annoying. Check out the interior. It's pretty sick. Super minimal, just a boost gauge in there. I don't really bother with a ton of gauges, not my thing. 0204 front end and 0506 rear end, just how I like it. Got Prelude end keys on it. A 245 up front, 205 in the back. Top secret front bumper. Some skirts that I made, or some side splitters, I guess you'd call them. Pretty sweet. Makes 360 wheel on 15 psi with just a small 50 trim turbo, upgrading to a 66, 62 over the winter, and then we're going to shoot for 500 horse. See how we do. The car has a K20 Z3 engine out of a 08 Civic Si with the 6-speed manual LSD as well. Performs really well.